Hi everyone, good morning. We all have heard what is dopamine. So, for those who don't know what dopamine is a type of neurotransmitter and hormone which helps us in different bodily functions, which include movement, memory, pleasurable reward, and motivation. If we have high and low levels of dopamine in our body, then it leads to different physical and mental health conditions. But whenever we have low levels of dopamine, we tend to increase it by involving ourselves into some habits which include eating junk food, sugary stuff, watching web series, scrolling the phone, and even masturbation or watching porn series. But sometimes it is okay, but it happens that this becomes a frequency and we tend to get addicted to it. We are just scrolling the phone and sitting and doing literally nothing. So what happens when this habit gets into an addiction? We tend to develop obesity, anxiety, panic attacks, hallucinations and delusions. We have lack of focus in us, and we tend to discriminate between what is real and what is fake. We can't understand the reality and the fantasy. We tend to think that whatever is happening in fantasy, that happens in real as well. We try to seek those things in reality also, but it is not possible. And obviously a lot of money is spent obviously in that situation that we are involving ourselves into in these habits. So, and one more thing which happens is we tend to develop a lack of social skills when we are into our phones or web series or porn or what other activities. We tend to ignore the other people around us. So obviously our skills get a little bit disturbed, and obviously we don't try to concentrate on our studies and other works. There's a lack of focus everywhere. We don't feel like doing anything. We just want to do that activity which gives us kick. So how would you reduce your addictions to this dopamine levels increase? So firstly, you have to decide and stick to a plan which you have made, that you will not do this activity for a certain period of time. It may be for 2 days, it may be for 2 weeks, and with that time you can increase that level. Secondly, delete all the games and accounts. Thirdly, engage in real life activities which include talking to people, cooking and eating, going for walks, reading books, journaling and exercising. And lastly, picking up a new hobby gives you a new kick and you get to deal with your life in a better way. So I hope I could guide you into this situation which we are facing currently in this mobile age. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel Unlocking Minds. And all of you, please stay safe. Please stay happy and safe. With this note, I'm ending this video. Bye bye.